Hey guys, welcome to our channel. Today we're going to teach you how to activate Windows 10. So to begin, make sure you're already on your desktop and from there slowly move down to the bottom of your screen and click on the search button located on the taskbar. So this will open up the search menu. In the search bar, type settings and hit enter. Look for the settings application from the search results, then click on it with your left mouse button to open it. So you'll just need to navigate onto the settings window since you'll see various of options. So choose system from the list and then click on about. On this page, you'll see different information regarding your device. So you'll just need to scroll down in here since we'll need to find in the product activation key. So since it is located here under the bottom part, we'll just have to click onto this. Then you'll be redirected to another page. So as you can see, we have already activated our windows. So if you're still not yet activated, what you'll need to do is you'll need to click onto this upgrade your edition of Windows. So you'll just need to click onto this change product key. So click on change and wait for it to load. So on this new page, this is where you'll need to enter the product key of what you've purchased from the trusted source like Amazon or eBay. So you'll just need to paste the product key into the provided field. So once you've pasted the product key, you'll just need to hit the next button and then your Windows system will now go through the activation process. If everything is done correctly, your Windows will be now successfully activated. And there you have it. You successfully activated Windows 10. Thank you very much for watching this tutorial. And if you found this helpful, don't forget to hit the thumbs up and consider subscribing for more useful content. Until next time.